Radhe Radhe. Today we are going to discuss about molality. Molality. What is molality? Number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg. Kilogram. It is denoted by small m. Small m is equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Number of moles of solute, that is given mass by molar mass into 1000 upon solvent in kg. Now question is how we will get, how we will get here that solvent weight. Solvent can be easily calculated. The weight means mass of solvent is equal to mass of solution minus mass of solid. Minus mass of solid. Now you can ask me, sir, is it temperature dependent? So SI unit will be here mole per kilogram, right? And if I talk about, so it is temperature independent, not depending on temperature. Temperature independent. Now here, if your density is given, density is equal to mass by volume. So, if you want to calculate about the mass of solution, this will be your mass of solution. So, mass of solution will be mass of solution will be density into volume. Density into volume. So according to that you will get your mass of solution, and if the mass of solute is given this much gram, that much gram, whatever. So mass of solute either it will be given, if it is not given, then according to molarity, just suppose here if I am giving you here molarity is equal to n number of moles by 1 liter. Molarity is n molarity. So that means that n moles is there, and n moles means, just suppose whatever the compound is given, so n is equal to given mass by molar mass. So that molar mass will be multiplied with the number of moles, and you will get the mass of solute. So after that, as you get the mass of solute, so mass of solution minus mass of solute, you can calculate molality, which is denoted by small. That's all. Thank you.